how to fit a Spade bit into your Makita impact driver. Now, a lot of Spade bits comes with the hex cut out, like this one, and all you need to do is get this sleeve here, pinch it, pull it forward, place it in, release, and it's now stuck, and you're done. However, if your Spade bit doesn't have the hex cut out, what I recommend is getting a chuck adapter like this, placing it in, and this turns your impact driver into a basic drill. Tighten it up, and there you go. Bit crude, however, it's now turned your impact driver into a drill which will take a Spade head bit. So there are two little options that you have. Hopefully you find one what best suits you, whether that's the chuck adapter or a Spade bit with the correct adapter for you. If it does, smash that like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.